They have to listen to this training. Okay, so let's use the next 2 minutes to invite our members. Your team members, invite them in to come in this Zoom meeting. If you have people who you have talked about IM Worldwide, you can invite them in this presentation. Send them the link right now. We will start in 3 minutes. Okay.
Vem? Mas
Session this now.
Значи, Боря tu pisou se gaje, hein? Bana sana bi. Deu zoro gajo.
Olha os baques de chegar a mais opções. Gostava. Menina, senta, Zimi, Sugar, tem crush, relaxa, então.
Exceto.
Zimi, cara, e crush, rodou.
Tu pisarit vão.
E hoje choro, cara.
É tu já me gajaste.
O meu caráter puxou para dentro, sim, deu só que estou muito parecia assim.
Mesmo nível que canal pisaste.
Okay, amazing morning, everyone. Welcome to our English Leaders Development Training from Empowered by Dream Team International. And I know we are 19,000 or 19 million in this call. And we just finished a very powerful training by our top mentor in Cyprus. So let's give Mentor Rochi a round of applause, everyone. So clap, clap, clap for Mentor Rochi. And I know you are very excited because
som anhållsmisstänkt för bland annat olaga frihetsberövande.
Swedish. So I know you are all very excited because today we're gonna be hearing the very first training that each distributor should have, and that would be why choose IM Worldwide. Actually, the answer is why not IM Worldwide, right? But we are so lucky and we are so blessed today because the best trainer that we could consider here in I Am Worldwide is with us, and he is the one who's going to be training. And in a little while, I'll be introducing him. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like to introduce our speaker for tonight. He is the founder of Dream Team Worldwide. He is a Ruby Elite Executive, Millionaire Circle, an incoming Emerald Elite Executive of I Am Worldwide, and our very own, my mentor, the person who taught me everything that I know, the reason why there's Team Vikings here in Sweden, the reason why there's actually Dream Team teams worldwide, it's because of this person. He's relentless, he's hungry, he's the best person to teach you why I am worldwide. So with that, I'd like to welcome our very own top mentor, grand mentor of Dream Team. Let's give it up for Mentor Sam Palomo.
All right, guys. Thank you for a wonderful introduction, Mentor Ann. I'm actually setting up the FB Live, and it's on my timeline now, so that it can be shared to a lot of people in our Facebook world, no? Because billions of people right now are on Facebook. So that is the reason why our market, no, this business, our market, we have a very, very huge market. And so that is the reason why we are very, very excited to really do the business very, very seriously. All right. So, okay, hang on. I will just, I will just key in the title of my live. For our participants in our Zoom, can you comment in our chat box that you are excited? Can you comment, I am excited? All right. Okay, now we are live. You can go to my timeline and you can share. Okay. All right. So, hang on. Okay. Shout out first to all our international partners from Sweden, of course. We have who's here? Mentor Christina, no? Mentor Christina is here. Of course, Mentor Kuya Anders. Who else? Sila Damola yata, pupunta ba sila? All right. And of course, we have a Nigerian mentor, no? We have Mentor Emmanuel from Nigeria. Hello. All right. Of course. We still have from Italy, Mentor Jane is here. From Singapore, we have Mentor Marilyn. And of course, Mentor Gina is also here from Singapore. We also have, of course, Mentor Michelle. This is actually from Sweden. Marie from Cyprus. Okay. And thank you guys for still here. Our Filipino partners now is still here. All right. So, okay, let me just share my screen. Hang on. Okay. So, all right. Hang on, guys. Can you see my screen now? That is our latest, ano. Hang on. Okay. Can you see my screen, guys? Is it clear?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, the title of my training for tonight is the why I am. Why is it I am that you're doing now and that you are part of this family, no? Why is it not other company? Why is it I am worldwide? And what is here? I mean, what's in store for you here in I am worldwide? And it's mind blowing, no? So that's the reason why we are very, very crazy in this business. It will really blow your mind if you really understand why I am. All right. So I myself, I am also very, very excited to always share and go deeply in this business, especially I am worldwide, because as you go deeper and deeper and deeper in this business, as you gain more knowledge, you will surely love more this I am worldwide. All right. So first is that our company owners are all God-centered, okay? And they are very, very generous. That's what I love. And in this kind of company and in this kind of environment of wherein the people are so uh, God-fearing, and they are very, very generous in their own way. Just like our beloved President A.M. Eder. And I just want to share with you the testimony of Press AM that, it's very moving. It's very inspirational that he came from a very poor family way back in Davao, in part of Mindanao in the Philippines. He used to live in slums in Davao. Imagine that. But right now, he's a very, very successful entrepreneur and one of the multimillionaire in the Philippines. And he's very passionate with a compassionate heart to really share the opportunity and of course to help a lot of people in this kind of business because he himself he actually achieved his wildest dreams. You see, even those people who are really coming from the slums and really coming from the very, very poor will have a chance to really achieve your wildest dreams. The question now here is, are you the one? Okay? Are you the one? Do you have that desire to achieve your wildest dreams? If if so, then you can use our chat box so that you can chat your emotions. You are the one that you really desire to achieve your wildest dreams because it's possible. In this business, it's possible. And of course, with God, it's all possible, right? So can you use our chat box now that you are so excited? Wow, there's so much chat here. Wow, thank you guys for participating actively. All right, so that's our press. And we have this weekly mentoring, direct mentoring with our president AM, and that is actually every Tuesday we have this live class mentoring with President AM, and we can really feel that he is very, very sincere, in making life better and making people's lives improve, in touching people's lives, especially those who are hopeless. And that's why we have big, big hope in this company. We are sharing hope. We are called as the agents of hope because I can really feel with our president that his vision in our company is so endless. Imagine that. It's endless. So that is the reason why we go deeper and deeper in love with this business. Why? Because we can feel it from our BODs, from our board of directors, from our company owners. And of course, we have our very young, dynamic, highly professional in network marketing field, our vice president, the youngest multi-millionaire in the Philippines or in Asia's industry of network marketing, our very own vice president, Aika Lorraine Uy. And she's very, very young, She's only 30 years old. Imagine that. Actually, she's the youngest CEO or youngest founder of network marketing in Asia because at the age of 27, she's one of the owners of IAM Worldwide. So imagine that. Because again, this business, all right, especially for those young ones, for those people who are still thinking about themselves, I'm still young, I'm too young for business to be so serious about. No. And it's good for you that you are still young, that you have this kind of opportunity that you can achieve your dreams. Because imagine this, what if, and let's say in 5 years time, 5 years from now, you're at your very young age, you achieve your dreams. How would that be? How's the feeling? See, you're still young, yeah? You're in your early 30s, but you're already multi-millionaire. And so it's really, mind blowing when you see that the possibilities in this business. And of course, our vice president is a really very, very expert in her field. The expertise in this business. All right, and the combined experience of our vice president and our president is actually 20 years. The expertise in this business. So we can assure you guys that you are in a good hands. You're not just in a good hands, but you're in the best place, right? You're in the best company. You're in the right company with the right founders, with the right people, with the right team. And we believe that everyone who's watching right now in our Facebook, everyone who's watching here in our Zoom, that you are the right person. All right? Because it's not enough that you have the right opportunity, you have the right timing, you have the right company, you have the right product, you have the everything is right, but you're not the ones. I mean, you are not the right one. No? So you have to believe that you are the right person. All right? You are the right person in this right opportunity, just right in front of you right now. All right? So that's why you have to say, you can comment now, say, I am blessed. You can chat now, I am blessed. You are blessed because you are in I Am Worldwide. All right. Dear mentors, please do share our live in Facebook right now to your respective groups, no? So that we can reach out more people. All right. And because I'm very, very excited to really reveal to you why I Am Worldwide is really the best ever MLM company in the whole world right now. Wow. Are you guys amazed? Yeah? Okay, let's move on. We have high quality, world class, amazing products. Take a look at this one. This is actually our living room. You see? It's no longer living room. It looks like our stock room already because we have a lot of products, no? Because this business, because of the amazing products that we have a lot of testimonies of our products. All right, because of that, that's why the business is booming. Okay, the business will boom if you have the products that are very, very effective and world class. And so that's happening right now in I Am Worldwide. We have the world class, high quality, amazing products that can make people healthier and, of course, wealthier. That's the reason why, as you can see in my screen, there's so much products here. All right. And of course, because we have the seal of super brands. Okay. When you say super brands, it's super quality product. Okay. And you can chat now. I think we have a lot of testimonies here. You can chat your why you love the products of I Am Worldwide. You can chat in our chat box. No. All right. Because this is actually a high quality, world class, amazing products. And of course, we are partnered with the I Am World with ambassadors. Okay, the famous people in the Philippines is actually in also in the world because not only we have big names or big celebrities in the Philippines right now who's with us, no, just like Christine Hermoso Soto, okay, Terence Romeo, a famous PBA player in the Philippines. We have Jessie Mendiola. She's been awarded as the sexiest woman in the Philippines of FHM, but also she is very famous celebrity in the Philippines, and also Piolo Pascual, and he looks like me, huh? He looks like my brother, okay? And also we have Heart Evangelista Escudero. She's actually a wife of a former senator in the Philippines, and right now we have a senator and world boxing champion Senator Manny Pacquiao is here with us. You see, we are partnered with world-class people, with these big names. And that's the reason why, we have a very huge advantage in doing I Am Worldwide business. And of course, one of the famous mayors in the Philippines right now is actually our mayor, Isko Moreno, all right, the mayor of Manila. And he is actually with us. He's our partner. He's our ambassador. And awarded as the most beautiful faces in the world. I mean, the most beautiful woman in the world. Awarded as, I think, last 2019, no? And she's our famous celebrity also in the Philippines, Miss Liza Soberano. Imagine that. And of course, international singing sensations during the 90s. Okay? The boy band Moffat's Brothers. We have Bob Moffat and Clint Moffat. Imagine that. Because success is having the right partner. So, if you are partnered with I Am Worldwide, together with these ambassadors, you are partnered with the best of the best. And so what will happen to you? You will also become the best version of yourself. All right? Do you agree, guys? Can you comment now that you agree that you are partnered with the best of the best in the industry? So that's why you are also the best. All right.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Mentor Emmanuel from Nigeria. Wow, so exciting, Mentor. All right. So this is the historical results in the Philippines network marketing industry. We say that this is historical. Why? Because this is the only company that has this record, this achievement in the first 6 months of pioneering stage. Imagine this. In just a matter of 6 months, all right, the company has produced 8 people who became millionaire, who earned 1 million, 4 people who earned 2 million, and one distributor who earned 3 million. Imagine that in just 6 months pioneering stage. There's a lot of millionaires already. How is that possible? Because later on you will discover more. All right. And imagine the I am worldwide. All right, the record of I am worldwide, and because we have the 13 ways of earning, that is very very lucrative marketing plan and the best of the best in the industry. Imagine, because other companies, they only offer you 3 ways of earning. Some of them offering you 4, 5, 6, 7, and some of them 8. But with I am worldwide, we have about 13 ways of earning. And in other companies, if you are not that active distributor, if you are not that active member, you have no chance of making profit in your network marketing career because you are just a plain product user. But let me tell you this, in the number 7, all right, you can see it in my screen. The number 7, we call it the Project 001. Okay, because of that, even though you are just a plain product user, you can have a chance to become a millionaire. Imagine. All right. So I am inviting you all to attend our intensive um, business presentation tomorrow. It's actually I am detailed business presentation tomorrow. That would be our topic, so that you will know deeper about the marketing plan of I am worldwide. Because why? In just number 7, the Project 001, even though you are just a plain product user of the company, even though you just purchased about 3,000 peso barley products, no, you have a chance to become a millionaire. Tomorrow you will know why or how. All right. And in just a matter of referring for people in the business, because of our Just For You program, you can earn as much as 300,000 pesos in just about 4 referrals. Wow. And also the power of our compensation plan, even though you only have one leg or one group, because in the system is you should have 2 groups. That means the left group and right group. But in our system, even though you only have one group, it's either your left group or your right group, you can already earn millions even in just one side because of the infinity commission. And again, you will learn a lot more of it tomorrow. We have a intensive training for this. So imagine, and we are one account policy company. Okay, one account policy. Because in other company, they will ask you to join and join and join again and join again, get another accounts, multiple accounts. Yeah, there's a lot of companies who are offering that. Many, many, many accounts. Okay? You will join again and again and again and again and again in other company. I experienced that. I joined 31 times because I have 31 accounts in my previous company. But the real thing here is the big network in the whole world is actually one account network or one account policy system in this business. And so in I am worldwide, we only have one account. And that's the reason why we have what we call the strong leg retention and also the auto spill system. Wherein when you just join now, then somebody joins tomorrow, because of what we call the auto spill system, you can have automatic downlines or members under your account. Imagine that. That is how powerful our marketing is, our compensation plan. Okay. because of the auto spill system. And of course, no flash out. For other company, okay, because I experienced this, I've lost about 2.5 million peso, okay, because of the flash out system. So it's very, very sad experience. Why? Because the efforts that you put in the business, and after because I experienced after 3 years of my networking career in my previous company, I experienced this flash out. I experienced flash out of 2.5 million. Imagine that. 2.5 million in peso is very big money. And then you've lost it because of the flash out system. And that's the big reality in this business. But the good news, all right, the good news, can you type good news? In IAM Worldwide, there's no flash out. Okay? In Tagalog, walang sayang. No sayang. Huh? All your efforts, all your hardships, all paid by the company, by IAM Worldwide, because there is no flash out. Okay? But don't get me wrong, the company has a safety net of what we call the max out system. And again, you will learn that more tomorrow if you attend our training tomorrow. And of course, we have a free training programs that is actually free, totally free training, because other companies, they will ask you to attend trainings, but they will also ask you to pay. But with IAM Worldwide, we have world-class training provided for every one of you here, but it's all totally free. Imagine that. And in just less than a year, you can earn your first million. You see? That's how powerful our company is, our compensation plan. And of course, plus all the car incentives, the travel incentives, the house and lot, the condo, we have so much incentives in here. So that's why our company, IAM Worldwide, is really the best among all the best network marketing companies in the whole world today. All right? So the question now is, what is your deepest why? Okay? You have to find out what is your biggest or deepest why. Why are you going to put on your effort, all right? To put on your time. You will invest your time, your hardships here, your hard works here, you put in here. And you have to realize right now your deepest why. Because if you don't know your why, it's very, very hard for you to do the how. All right? Because in the business, we have what we call the why and the how. So if you don't know your why, it's very hard for you to do your how. But if you know your deepest why, it's very, very easy for you to do the how of the business. And so let me share with you all the very basic, all right, why, all right, the very basic why. And that is your dream life, okay? Are you dreaming of big house? Okay, if you have a chance to have a bigger house than your house today, would you like that? Of course. Okay, would you like to have this kind of home theater in your own house, that you don't need to go out to really enjoy, I mean, watching in cinema? You have your own cinema in your house. Would you like that? You see, would you like to have a swimming pool in your house, that it's like you're living in a resort? You see, would you like to have this? Wow, it's so amazing. You see, would you like to have that? Remember this, it's possible, because it's happening already in IAM Worldwide. Even though IAM Worldwide is only 3 years old company, okay, it's already happening right now. That we have distributors, we have members here who has already a swimming pool in their house. Imagine. All right. So, how about that? Would you like to have that one? Who likes that? Can you comment? Who likes to have that kind of house with swimming pool? Don't tell me that you don't like it. You're so well, I don't want to say that, but of
That
course.
means you're so cool.
Yeah, you're so cool. Come on, go to mommy. Go down to mommy. You see, I have my eldest son here. That's the beauty of our business, because you can do it at home. So you can do it with your son. All right, so spending quality time with your son. Anyway, so what else? Would you like to have that car? Mentor, that is very, very expensive. I don't like that. What if it's free? If it's free, you still don't want this? Huh? Can I see your comment? There's a lot of comment pala already. I have 37 chat. Oh, see? Yeah, so many chats here. Yeah, wow.
I want this.
You like this, Mentor Solomon?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Especially if
Is that okay?
especially if it's free, right? How about this? Wow. Supercars. Wow, how about that? Nah,
It's okay. Wow. This is more fantastic.
cool, man. How about this? Yeah? How about having this money in your luggage?
This,
So many money. How about traveling to Santorini? Wow. How's that? You
you
see?
need to work.
Exploring the beauty of the world. How about going to Maldives? Wow, for free. How's that? So now let's talk about the basic dreams. Okay, what I showed to you is actually the wildest dreams that we have. So, but let us talk first the basic dreams. You have the house and lot that's worth 10 million in the Philippines, cars for about 3 million, travel 2 million, savings 5 million, and total is about 20 million. That is basic dreams in the Philippines right now. I don't know if how much is that in dollars, but that's basic dreams in the Philippines. So let's compute. See, 20 million worth of dreams. Let's say you are 29 years old right now. Then let's say you can save as much as 10,000 peso in 1 month. So in 12 months, that would be 120,000. And times 10 years, let's say we add 10 years. So that would be 1.2 million. And another 10 years, that would be 2.4 million. And 20 years more, that would be 4.8 million. So imagine 40 years lifetime value. 40 years of your life, you only save about 4.8 million. See, that's the reality. The worth of your basic dreams is 20 million, but you have already worked hard for a very long period of time, like 40 years. You are so hard working. You work. Then still you're wondering, why, Lord, I'm not still achieving my dream life. My dream is worth 20 million, but Lord, how come I only have 4.8 million, Lord? What happened? All right, because you are working so hard, all right, in your whatever it is, in your job or whatever you're doing right now. It's something like you are riding a car or riding a vehicle, that vehicle will, will bring you to your usual destination. Let's say uh, let's say if you're in the Philippines right now. I don't know if you guys been to Philippines, but let's say you're in the Philippines right now and you book a ticket going to, like, you want to go to Singapore, right? Yeah, I want to go to Singapore. Then you book a ticket going to Singapore. I mean, you want to go to Singapore, but you book a ticket, all right, going to, let's say, Sweden. All right, you are now, you wanna go to Singapore. You wanna see the Merlion there, okay? And then, but you booked the Sweden uh, airlines or Sweden ticket, all right? So what would you think? What do you think would be your destination? Would that be the Singapore or the Sweden? Okay, can you comment? Okay,
Singapore.
of course you're going. No, no, you are dreaming to go to Singapore, but
Yes.
you book a ticket going to Sweden. So where where will be your destination? Is it Singapore or Sweden? Yeah,
Sweden. Sweden. Sweden.
right. Of course, Sweden. So
Sweden.
imagine this, no? You wanted to go to Singapore, but you are riding the plane, all right? But you are riding an airplane going to Sweden. Of course, you will go to Sweden because you are riding the plane going to Sweden. But even though, let's say you are a very, very good person and you are very prayerful. You always pray to God, Lord, I really want to go to Singapore. I want to see the merlion, Lord. I want to see the lion there. Lord, I want to see the lion with the, what is this? The water in his mouth. The merlion, the icon of Singapore. Lord, I want to see that. That's my dream. But you are riding the plane going to Sweden. Okay? What will happen to you? All right? What will be your destination? Of course, still Sweden, right? Because you are riding the wrong plane. You are riding the wrong airplane. And that's the reality of life. That's the reality of life.
Hello.
A lot of people wanted to become really, really successful, really, really rich, but they are doing the same thing. They are riding in the same vehicle. And then they wonder, oh Lord, how come? I'm stuck in here. You know, I'm still in the same situation after 40 years of my hard work. How come, Lord? You see? Then you start blaming other people. You start blaming even the God. You still, you blame other people. But let me tell you this. You are in control of your destination because you are the driver. You are the captain of the ship, right? So who's in control? Of course, you are in control of your life. You are in control of your vehicle. Okay? You are the driver. You are the driver. Don't let other people drive you, right? Because they will bring you to their own zone, huh? Their so-called comfort zone. But in reality, their comfort zone is not comfortable at all. Because in the Philippines, there's a lot of wrong mindset or wrong mentality in the Philippines that a lot of people here, they will say, oh, I just want to have a simple life. But the reality is, the simple life that they are telling you is actually not simple at all. It is very, very hard. How would you say that life is simple if you are chasing if the bills, if Judith is always there? You know, if you are struggling financially, if you are struggling in life, how is that simple? It's not simple. That is not simple. That is hard. So you have to change the definition of your term, of your word. When you say simple, it's simple. It's easy, right? It's not hard. Life will become easy. Promise. Life will become easy if you have a lot of money. Do you agree, guys? Can you comment? Do you agree that life becomes easy if you have a lot of money? And life becomes so hard if you don't have money. Promise. That's the reality of life. Okay? So, everything is possible for him who believes. That's biblical. That is in Mark 9:23. If you believe, that's possible. But if you don't believe, then you will always say to yourself, oh, ito na kasi ang aking kapalaran. This is already my destiny. My destiny is like this. My situation right now is already my destiny. That is your choice. Your destiny is your choice. You can change your destiny if you want to. Am I correct? You can change it because you are the driver. If you are the driver, you are in control of your vehicle. You can go to north, to south, to the east, or to the west. It's up to you. So don't tell me that, oh, life is like this already. I have no choice already. I have no choice. Stop saying that to yourself. Can you comment now? Stop saying that to yourself. Stop saying no choice, no choice, no choice. Because no choice is already a choice. Promise. I am not angry. I'm only hungry. I'm not angry. I just feel it. You see? If you say you have no choice, that is already your choice. Don't tell me you don't have choice. You have a choice. You can choose to change your path. You can choose to change your direction. Huh? Yes, no choice is already a choice. You see? Humanly speaking, it is impossible. But with God, nothing is impossible. That is our company's verse. All right? Company's verse. Matthew 19:26. With God, all things are possible. And whatever things you ask in prayer, believe that you will receive it. So be careful on what you say. Be careful on what you believe or say. Because when you say you're poor, you're poor, you're poor, you're poor, yeah, you're poor. Okay? Let me tell you this. Okay, let me tell you this. If you don't have money right now, it doesn't mean that you are poor. Okay? Forgive yourself. You are not poor. You are poor if you don't have a dream already. You are poor if you don't have a dream. You are poor if you are not dreaming anymore. That's the real definition of poor. Okay? If you are no longer dreaming, if you are no longer wanting to have a better life, then you are poor. Let me tell you that. Let that strike your heart. That it will help you to change. So don't say, be careful of what you're saying to yourself. When you say I am a fool. No, 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 no. I'm a failure. No, don't say that. Don't say negative things towards yourself. All right? Okay? So now the question is, what's your commitment? What's your commitment in doing this business? What's your commitment in achieving your dreams? Okay? Because let me share with you, there are levels. There's 3 levels of commitment. All right? A lot of people, they will just say, okay, yeah, that's nice. That's a very good business. That's a very good opportunity. So I'll try it. You see? And that's a very shallow level of commitment. But it's normal if you are new in the business. That's normal that you will say, that you will tell me that you will just try it. Yeah, that's normal. But you have to go to the next level, that you will do your best. But then again, that's not yet the highest level of commitment. Because some people, they will say, yeah, I did my best already, but my best wasn't good enough. That's why that's why there's a song, Just Once, right? Yeah, I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough, because here we are back where we were before. That's the song, right? So doing your best is not enough. All right. So what's the highest level? So you have to do it whatever it takes. Can you comment now that you will do the business? You will commit yourself. Okay, that you will commit to your dreams, to your deepest why, whatever it takes. Okay? Wita, WITA, whatever it takes. You commit. You are not making a commitment to your upline, to your mentor. No, 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 no. Because let's say you are, yeah, I'm committed to my mentor, I'm committed to my upline, then my upline quits, then you will also quit, right? That happens. Many people quit because their upline quits. And that is actually happening in this industry, in this business. So, where should be your commitment? Your commitment should be on your dreams. And that's yours. Your dream is your dream, right? When you have a lot of money, when you have a big, big, big house, you have a lot of cars, you have a lot of cash, you have a lot of money, that's all yours, right? Yeah, that's all yours, right? That's not the money, that's not the success, or that's not the house of your mentor, that's yours. So you have to commit in your personal goal, in your personal dreams, your deepest why. Do not commit on your mentor or an upline. No, 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 no. That's a wrong mentality. Because there will come a time, sometimes or most of the times, even the uplines, they quit. Just like us, our direct upline, our direct mentor, long time ago, she quitted already. She quit already the business. See? Because when you do this business, you focus only to your dreams, to your goals. Okay? Because that's your biggest assignment here. Okay? And of course, you have to focus also on helping your members. That's what we're doing right now. Okay. So your commitment level should be the I'll do whatever it takes. And you have to overcome the discouragements. There will be a lots of discouragements in this business. So you have to apply this principle. And what is this? SW for next principle. Because some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting for you. You see, just move on. You offer this opportunity to your friend. Hey, friend, would you like to have this? Would you like to see my business? Would you like to join I Am Worldwide? And if she or he says no, the meaning of no is next opportunity. Can you type now? The meaning of no, N-O. The meaning of no is next opportunity. So the meaning of no is still positive, but it depends on your perspective. You see? That's the beauty of this business because it will train you to become optimistic, to become a positive mental, or to have that attitude, the positive mental attitude, to have that kind of attitude, the positive mental attitude, right? Because if somebody says no to you, you can still smile and say, "No, thank you for your time. I'll go to the next one. Someone is waiting." Yeah? Can I see your chat here? Next opportunity. No is next opportunity. Correct. So don't be so emotional when you are facing these discouragements. Okay? Because that's normal. That's part of the process. Everything has a process. Okay? And so you have to enjoy the process. Because if not, then you will not become successful in this business. Okay? So you have to endure the pain of the process because it's really painful, but it's all worth it. Can you comment? It's all worth it. All the pains, all the hard works, all the heartaches, no? All of it, it's all worth it. Because at the end of the day, you will achieve your wildest dreams. All right? So imagine this Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC story, no? His story is very, very inspirational that 1,000 times he got rejection upon rejection upon rejection upon rejection. But he never gave up. That's why we have KFC right now. Imagine that. The very old, Colonel Sanders. He offers the recipe of KFC and nobody wants it. No? He got so many rejection upon rejection upon rejection, but he never gave up. That's why we have KFC right now. So the key is never give up. All right? And you have to put on your excitement. Okay? Because if you are like this, all right, if in Tagalog we say simangot, ha? If lagi ka nakasimangot, yan, in Tagalog simangot, in English, if you always mad or sad, that is, we call it malas. In Tagalog, malas. Ano ba sa English ang malas? You will be unfortunate. That would be unfortunate for you if you look like this.
It's bad luck.
It's a bad luck, right? Yeah, malas is bad luck. Thank you, ate. Diba? So, you have to have this face. Now, let me check, all right? Can I see your faces right now? Can you show your smile? Can you show it to the camera? Okay, I will go here. Can you show your smile? How do you feel when you smile? Okay, you can comment there. Do you feel good when you smile? Or do you feel bad when you smile?
We feel good when we smile.
Yes, that's right.
I feel good.
Guys, can you open all your camera because I will screenshot my screen so that we will have the remembrance of this. I will take photo of our smile. Okay, I will take photo of our smile. Give your biggest smile. All right, and I will screenshot this screen. Okay, can you open now all your camera, Mentor Mitch, Mentor Rochi, Mentor Lorraine? Just open your camera.
You see me?
Yeah.
Very close.
Open the camera, please. Okay. Olo Sayo Grace, iPhone. Mentor Norman Casanova, Bea, Nika. Yan, sige po. Let's open our camera and show your powerful smile. And I will screenshot this. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's put our smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Thank you. thank you. Thank you for participating. It feels so good, right? It feels so good if you smile, correct? But
Yes.
if you are not smiling, what is the opposite to be smiling?
They hear you. This open here.
So you have to wear the biggest outfit that you can have, and that is of course, your smile, right? Like this. Okay. All right. So that's one of the secrets of the millionaires or successful people. They always, they always show how grateful they are, diba? Because when you look at them, they have a very attractive aura. We call it aura. Very positive aura. That's why a lot of people, they wanted to be with them. Okay? Because as per Winston Churchill says, he said that success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Imagine, going from failure to failure, because success is 99% failure. Right? 99% failure. That's why you became successful, because you did not quit. All right? And you never gave up. That's why you are successful right now. And one of the secrets is that they stay positive, they stay excited, even though they're experiencing a lot of failures, a lot of heartaches. You see? So that's one of the secrets. Okay? So you have to have the laser focus. Okay? Don't be like Mr. Jack. Mr. Jack of all trades, master of none. Okay? So you have to focus first in this career if you want to become successful in this. Well, it's okay if you still have a full-time job. It's okay. But what I am telling you right now is you focus on your part-time business, which is the I Am Worldwide business. Because if you are doing a lot of part-time businesses, where will be your focus? It's very hard for you to focus, right? Because something like this, as you can see here, you cannot chase two rabbits at the same time. That's very, very true, right? How can you chase, or how can you get the rabbit, no? If you're chasing the two ones, you have to chase only one if you wanna catch the rabbit. So it's the same thing. Focus, promise. When you focus doing your I Am Worldwide business, even though you have the full-time job, it's okay, but you focus on the part-time business, just like our successful entrepreneurs in other countries, like in Italy, right? And of course, in Sweden, we have very successful members there, mentors. They are very successful in the business, even though they are doing only it part-time because they still have their full-time job. But because they are focused, imagine we have one diamond elite from Kuwait. She's actually nurse by profession, and she's a frontliner. Imagine that, frontliner and now diamond. She's only doing the business part time, but because of laser focus, focusing only in one network marketing business, that's why she achieved a diamond. Diba? So you have to focus. All right. Next, focus means you have to follow one course until successful. Until you become successful, you focus only at one course. All right. Don't uh, don't focus on multiple tasks at the same time. It's very, very hard for you to achieve the results that you wanted if you doing a lot of things at the same time. All right. Finish one at a time. If you become successful in this business, you already have the team that is actually giving you the passive income, that you already have leverage in the business. You can do your own thing already. If you want to have your own, customized or personalized business of your own or whatsoever, you can do that because you already have the passive income. When we say passive income, you're earning even though you are no longer working. How's that? That's so amazing, right? All right. So you have to just don't just set the goal, but you have to achieve that goal. You have to achieve that goal. All right. So sample of goal setting is, of course, you have the set a goal, and we have what we call the short-term goal. So if you're new in the business, you have to what's your short term, especially for the new ones. Okay, you have to be a mover. You have to get your first tools, no? Your first left and then your first right. Okay? Because it's very, very hard for you to achieve the bigger goal or the long-term goal if you have not yet achieved the short-term goal. Okay? And of course, we have the midterm goal. Let's say in the whole month, you achieve, let's say, the Give Me Five or the Just For You. All right? That is our midterm goal. Okay? And the long-term goal, do you want to be like to achieve a sapphire rank or other elite executive ranks? No? And of course, you have the ultimate goal. And plus, you have the deepest why. Because you cannot achieve your goal if you do not have the deepest reason why you're doing it very, very seriously. All right. So what you should do is to write down your goals. Actually, one of the famous books, no, and one of the famous classical author, and his uh, Napoleon Hill, Dr. Napoleon Hill, he said in his book, The Think and Grow Rich, that you really need to write down your goals because it's if you cannot write it down, how can you achieve it? If it's just in writing, you cannot put it on writing. You see? So you have to put it on writing, all your goals. Okay? Make a goal or vision board. That is very, very effective. Especially if you are new now, you have to make your vision board. Go back to being like a child. You know, imagine you're still a child that dreaming wildest dreams. Because right now, because you are adult, now it's very hard for you to dream big dreams. Why? Because you're looking at your current situation. You're looking at your present situation right now. That's why it's dragging you down because you're looking at yourself. You're looking at the situation that how can I dream big dreams? I'm only earning like this. You see, because you're looking at your present situation. But remember, when you were a child, you are dreaming wildest dreams without consciously thinking of how will you achieve it, right? You are just dreaming. And we have lost that, we have lost that spirit that since we are now adult because of all the happenings right now, it's very hard now for you to dream big dreams. But it shouldn't be like that. We have to dream our dreams because we can get it with I Am Worldwide. Okay? So what's next? Read your goals every morning and in the evening. So before you go to bed, before you go to sleep, and when you wake up, because the goal board or the vision board, you have to put that on the place that you can always see it. Let's say just like our goal board or vision board, we have our vision board in the back of our door or in our room. So every time we go to bed, we can see our vision board. Every time we go to sleep, we can see our vision board. Every time we wake up, we can see our vision board. And that's a very, very good reminder for us that we have the dreams. We have the goals that we need to get. Okay? Because your dream board, it contains your dreams. So that is very, very important. It will remind you every day. The reason why you are, getting up in the morning is because you have the purpose to fulfill. Okay, and one of those purposes of yours is actually to achieve your dreams, to achieve your goals in life. Okay, because God did not created or did not create us or you the human beings. No? God never created humans to just live and die. No, right? He created us for a purpose that we need to really fulfill it during our time in this earth. Okay, to unleash all the potential that we have, that if we have these dreams that we need to achieve that, and we will make an impact to a lot of people's lives, right? And of course you can post your goals, okay, and you can do it in your wallpaper, your cell phone or your laptop. You can have it, okay. So people spend more time planning birthday parties or outings than they do planning their lives. Then they wonder why. And that's the very sad truth. A lot of people, they love to plan for outing, for parties, and they forgot to plan for their own lives, right? And then they wonder why. See? So start planning. Our future is so bright with I Am Worldwide. Okay? Let me show you why. Why our future is so bright? Because, okay, let me show you this. Imagine, even in this pandemic time, imagine this. Even in this pandemic time, okay, we have this extraordinary income from one of our top mentors. See, imagine the month of May, she earns 6 million. And in July, 7 million. October, 8 million. November, 9 million. Imagine that. And this mentor, he earns in 3 weeks' time 874,000 pesos. It's almost a million. Imagine during the pandemic. Wow. That's why my mind is really blown away right now. Imagine this. 1 week income. 500,000 1 week income. Is that possible? Well, for some people, it's not because they are not part of I Am Worldwide. But if you are part of I Am Worldwide, you will understand that it's all possible. Because why? Because again, we have the most lucrative and most generous company, I Am Worldwide. See? And take a look at this. You see the date? November 10 to November 16. That is 7 days, 1 week. Okay? Take a look at this one. Direct referral, 0. Meaning, she don't have any referral at all. Okay? Infinity, 500. Give me 5. Give me 5 and just for you. Meaning, she did not receive any bonus of just for you or give me 5. But take a look at the check match and sales match. Imagine this, check match is 173,150. Okay? Check match means those people that you sponsored to join the business, you earn 10% of their sales match commission. Imagine this, 173,150. And sales match is 800,000 pesos. Plus the residual sales match is 6,000. And the total is 979,000. It's almost 1 million in 1 week. Now tell me. Now tell me. Tell me now that you are not serious in this business. Tell me, where is your seriousness right now? Are you serious making 20,000 pesos a month? 30,000 pesos a month? You're giving all your energy, you're giving your life to your work right now. You're doing your best. Dugot pawis, binibigay mo. You're doing your best, your very best. Sometimes even though you are sick, you still go to work. Am I correct? You're giving your life in your work right now and you're earning only about 30,000 pesos, 40,000 pesos, 20,000 pesos, or even 50,000 pesos. But take a look at this one. You are in the business wherein you can earn as much as 1 million pesos per week. Now tell me, you are not serious. My God. Now tell me. Okay? Yeah, that's abnormal income. Because the normal income is just 20, 30, 40,000 pesos per month. Now tell me, guys. Yeah, 7 days earning 195,000 kroner. Tell me. Now it's time for you and me to become so serious, so aggressive in our business. Why? Because this is our future. And take note, the company is only 3 years old company. Where can you find a company of just 3 years old with this kind of income? You see, for a lot of companies, this income is bigger than the owner of their company. You can do your own research. I am the owner of my own company. How much are you earning? You see, that's why, please, guys, if you are watching right now in our Facebook Live, take it seriously. Put your serious hard work in this business because this is our future. All right? It's possible because somebody is achieving it already. It is not possible if no one is achieving it. But a lot of people are already earning this in this business. And take a look at on the other side, on the right side of this. 12:01, December 1, 2020, 4:31 a.m. 1.1 million peso encashment. Oh, now tell me you are not serious. Now tell me that you are still skeptic, that you're still, thinking about it. You're still doubtful. You're still having your fear. You see? You're very serious in your job right now. You're very serious in whatever you're doing right now. You're very, very serious there. But the question is, are you earning this much? And maybe you would tell me, hey, Sam, I'm earning big income in my work, in my job right now. And actually, I'm earning 100,000 peso per month. But my second question is, when you stop working, can you still earn that 100,000 pesos? I'm not angry, I'm just hungry. Imagine, guys. Imagine. This is passive income. Can you type? Can you type in our chat box? Passive income. What is the meaning of passive income? What is the meaning of residual income? The income that you are no longer working. Ay, nako. Can you feel it, guys? Can you feel it? Can you feel? Can you feel it? I can feel it. I can feel it ba, oy? Sa Bisaya ba? Hindi ka manggegel. You have to put your giggle. You have to put on your aggressiveness, your seriousness in this business. You see, this is passive income. When you say passive income, you are no longer working for it, but you're still getting the income. I'm getting crazy, man. I'm crazy, man. You see, it's 1 week income. And it's 3 years old company. 3 years old company. Can you feel now? Can you feel it?
Yes,
3 years old.
yes, mentor.
Then you tell me, it's very hard. I want to quit already. It's very... No. It's not easy to become rich. That's why a lot of people is not rich. Only 5% of the world's population
Agree.
are rich. Yeah, it's very hard for people to become rich. But let me tell you this. The easiest way to become rich is actually in the network marketing business. Can you give hand for yourself, for ourselves? Can we give our hands together? Virtual clap. That we are in the fastest producing multi-millionaires business in the industry. Okay, let me repeat. Let me repeat. It is very, very hard to become rich. Yes, that's true. 1,000% true. That's why 5% only in the whole world are very, very rich. That's true. But let me tell you this. We are in the industry. We are in the business that is the easiest way to become rich is in this business. Now tell me, you are not serious. Huh?
Of course, definitely my wife. Sure.
So can you comment now that you are
Pag sa sila,
serious? Can you comment now in our
ako
chat?
David sila ladin.
So serious in our business.
Ko ili work day.
Don't think about people who are neglecting you.
Mo ni admin ni si
Don't think about people who are discouraging you. Don't think about them. Don't mind them. All right? Because people who always think of other people's opinion, right, are stuck on their situation. So don't be defined by those people. You have your own destiny in here. Your destiny is to become so prosperous because that is the plan of God for you and me, to become prosperous. When we say prosperous, it's not only in money, it's not only materially, but it's in all aspects of your life. You have the money, you have the time, and you are healthy. How would you like that? Can you comment now? Can you comment now? How would you like that? That you have a lot of money, you have a lot of time to enjoy your money, and you're so healthy. Whew. I'm so crazy now, man. Where can you find an opportunity that can give you that result? You see, a lot of business or a lot of opportunity, yeah, they can give you money, you can produce a lot of income, you can become rich financially, but you don't have time to enjoy your money anymore, and you are not wealthy. I mean, in your health. Imagine in our business, you can become healthier and wealthier, and you have a lot of time because you can earn passive income. Ay, that's why I feel so sad when people, you say, when people say no to our opportunity, to our business, because they cannot see what we are seeing right now. If I can just let you lend, I mean, if I can just lend my eyes to those people who cannot see what we can see here, you know? Whew. That's why we just say, let's pray for them because they cannot see what we can see. That's what we call the vision. We thank God that God gave us vision, that we can see our future, our dreams in the business that God gave us. All right? Imagine this guy. Imagine. Whew. Imagine this. You have the supercar for free. Mentor Shirley May got her supercar worth about 25 million peso, Ferrari, California, for free. And she also got her 3-story mansion because it has a swimming pool. You know, wow. And it's free. Imagine it's free. And 2 weeks income, 1.7 million pesos, passive income. Now tell me you are not serious. Now tell me that the training is very long. Huh? Tell me that, oh man, where do you use or where did you use your time? Now is the best time for you to use your time investing in I Am Worldwide, because what you sow, you will reap. If you sow your time in here, you will reap a lot of time, because time will come that even though you are no longer working, but still you have like this. Oh, you have like this 1.7 million in 2 weeks. Imagine, no? 3 years old company with 19 million, 17 million, 10 million, 9 million, 9 million. Do you know what's the secret in this? The secret is you build your solid team. Are we solid, guys? Can you type? We are solid. You have to be solid leader because you need to have a solid team for you to have the solid income. Okay? Imagine this. Wow. So crazy. And remember, the teamwork makes the dream work. That's the reason why we keep on sharing, we keep on helping each other, we keep on building and building and building and building people. When you build people, it builds your business and it builds your future. That's how amazing our business is all about. When you help a lot of people, when you're part of the team or working as a team, then your whatever dreams you have or you may have, it's all possible. Why? Because you are not working it alone. Remember this, guys. Those people that you have seen in our presentation who earns so many millions, they did not earn that alone. Imagine, because in life, there is no alone ranger. There's no self-made. There's no self-made millionaire, self-made billionaire. No. You cannot become or you cannot be successful if you are just alone. You need a partner. You need someone else. That's why success is having the right partner. So now you are partnering with I Am Worldwide, with the best team, our dream team here, with the best mentors that we have here. What are you waiting for? Do your part. Whatever it takes, put on your hard work in this business. Put on your effort. Whatever you invest in here, whatever you sow in here, you will have a plentiful harvest in God's perfect time. And if you believe that, can you type now? Amen. Can you type there in our chat box? Right? And this is our 6 figures, 6 digits income achievers in our team. Congratulations. And they're all here, right? Mentor Ann, Mentor Hermie, Marilyn, Gina, Mentor Mitch, Mentor Lorna, Rochi. Right? And if you are the next, you can type there in our chat box. I am the next 6 digits income achiever. I am the next Saffron Elite Executive. You can type it there in our chat box. All right? Thank you. And God bless. Dream Team Movers. I love you all. To God be all the glory. This is yours truly, your mentor, Sam Palomo. And I am Worldwide. Thank you, guys.
Wow!
I'm crazy.
Wow.
Thank you, Mentor.
Wow, can we give a round of applause to Mentor Sam? Wow!
Grabe.
Wow. Imagine Mentor's 2 a.m. in Manila. Is he on fire? Can you feel him? Does he want to go out to your mobile phone? I think he wants to go out to the cell phone and wants to shake you. Wake up! Wake up! It's intense. So I can see the big smiles. Okay, mentors, it's time to open your camera right now because we have to see your beautiful faces and how much you are blessed with our training right now. So please do open your camera. And I can see those beautiful red cheeks there. Everyone's using Akai, I see.
Wow.
Mentor Anders, where's your red cheeks? Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so let's give a shout out to Mentor Damola. Mentor Damola is here. We have Mentor Anders, Mentor Christina is here, our international partners. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a new partner who just signed up for gold just right now. Let's welcome Mentor Grace Olusayo from South Africa. Mentors, let's give Mentor Grace a round of applause for being with us tonight. So our new partner from South Africa, Gold Executive.
South Africa.
Yes. So Mentors,
get
I know
Gana.
that everyone is very excited, and Ate Marichu from Italy is very, very excited. And as we usually do it, we have a question and answer portion. Yes, question and answer portion for our grand mentor. Is that right, Mentor Sam?
Yeah, you.
Yes. Okay. Because uh, because we have a very good crowd here and community, I volunteer Ate Ruth to ask the first question. Mentor Ruth, can you ask any question for Mentor Sam regarding our topic, or our topic for today, why I am worldwide? Mentor Ruth, are you on mute, Mentor? It can be a question, Mentor, or what's your favorite take? What gave you the shake, the wake up call with what you heard?
I have a question.
Okay, you have a question. Go ahead, Mentor.
Because every time, Mentor Sam is always, active, and even though now, what time is it in the Philippines and he's still awake, but seems like he's not really tired. And I could
Yes.
really, I think because of barley, maybe it took how many barleys today?
For
And
Some Katali.
what makes you going, like you are so on fire and you put everything. What makes you going? And even though there's a lot, I think you have your family, you have a lot of things to think about, and you have a lot of time. And I was really inspired. So what really makes you going? And you're so inspiring. And sometimes I'm a little bit like, oh, I'm still at the bottom, but I'm inspired, and I want to get moving also. And I'm so grateful to have you as our grand mentor. Now I cannot see that you are tired, but you are really on fire. What makes you going?
Wow,
All alone.
that's a very, very good question, Ate. That is the question for Miss Universe.
Yeah.
I like it. I super like it. I like your question. Wow. And what keeps me going, and what is my biggest motivation? And of course, my deepest why is my family. If you really love your family, you will really do all out. When we say all out, you will give it all, because you know that at the end of the day, the fruits that you're going to harvest in planting season, because we have what we call planting season, and that is what we call the building stage in the business. Okay, that is our planting season, because we do plant just like a farmer. The farmer believes that after the planting season there will be a harvest season. So that is the reason why I am very, very clear on my harvest season. I know that it's very hard for the season of planting. Okay, there's a lot of heartaches and everything, there's a lot of pains, but it's all gonna worth it, because I have the strong belief that this is actually for my loved ones. This is all for my family, and because I experienced the the very difficult season in my life, when we are still way back in my province, because when I always share, right, my story, that we're 11 the family, my father is a farmer and all that. So I experienced the real thing, the very, very poor experience, the poverty in the Philippines. So that's why I am very passionate on our business, because it is really life changing. It is really life changing. And of course, my energy is because before our 10 a.m. live class, 10 p.m. live class with Ate Weng, I took one sachet of barley, and after
wow.
that, I took another sachet of barley. And now, before our the why I am training, I took another sachet of barley. Aside from the
Wow.
barley this morning and this afternoon.
Hi, Barney.
I think I have 5 or 6 barley today.
Yes, all
Still
right.
okay?
Yeah,
No tomcat.
don't cut Alan.
I have I have the latte, mentor. I finished my tongkat already.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Ate Ruth.
Oh, thank you for the nice answer. You are always inspiring,
Thank you po.
both of you. Yeah, Rachel too.
You haven't met the wife yet.
Not yet, it's just
She's
on the picture.
intense. We will meet her soon. So mentors, so I know we have lots of questions, but let's hear it from Mentor Christina. Mentor Christina, I know I can see how your face is glowing right now. So Mentor Christina, okay, you're unmute. Mentor Christina, please unmute.
So, yes,
Yes. So do you have any question?
a question. Yes, I think this was a very good speak of him. I admire his speaking.
Thank you.
Yes, and I would like to know more about the 13 types of income.
Wow. So that will be tomorrow, mentor. Uh,
Yeah.
because tomorrow the training of IDBP is actually in Tagalog, but for you, because I love you so much, guys, our international partners will do the English version. All right, the same time.
Wow.
Would that be okay?
Yes.
Same time.
Yes, definitely.
6
Mentor
p.m.
Michelle, you're saved.
I'm saying.
We're gonna have our IDBP in English tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, okay. Perfect.
Sure.
Okay, mentor. So we have heard our grand mentor said, I am detailed business presentation tomorrow, 6 p.m. Please mark your calendar right now because definitely you don't want to miss that because that's in English. And there's 13 ways to earn. So if you know the Just For You, if you know the Give Me 5 of I Am Worldwide, that's just a portion of how we earn in I Am Worldwide. There's so much more. So you have to understand that because if you don't know that, you're limiting the potential of what you're sharing to your prospect. Okay? Now, I know we have a
6
question.
p.m. Swedish time.
6 p.m. Swedish time. Yes, that's gonna be, I'm not sure what time that in South Africa, but it's the same time.
The same,
so
the
Ate
same.
Marichu, I know you have a question.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You're okay. Ate, what did you like best from what part of the training made the highest impact for you at this training, Ate?
First I really didn't start, and then I don't know. I'm locked out.
Okay. Okay, Ate, we'll go back. Ate. I think you're shocked because of everything what Mentor Sam had said. Okay, Mentor Jocelyn, it's your turn.
I'm tired.
Mentor Princess, it's your turn.
Yes, mentor. I'm just writing my question.
You're right. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna ask Mentor Sam if when did they what do you call that one? When did they knew that they are the agent of hope in I Am Worldwide?
Wow.
The question is for Miss Universe.
Yeah.
When did you find out that you're an agent of hope in
Wow.
I Am Worldwide?
For Miss Universe question number 1, for candidate number 1. Thank you, Miss Judge, Judge from Sweden. Thank you for your question. All right, that's a very good question. Well, because I discovered this business way back 2010, so 2010. So it's about 10 years now. I discovered it in Singapore in a very very funny way. Because at first I really did not like this business. I really not that believer of this business. Actually, in the Philippines, I have relatives who join networking businesses here in the Philippines, but I was not convinced because I did not see any successful members or distributors from my family member or from my relatives and friends, and so I was not a believer of this business. But because in Singapore, one of my part-time racket, we call it racket, part-time job, something like that. Because I was teaching ballroom dancing. I was a dance instructor in Singapore. All right, so that's why one of my clients, she said that, hey Sam, since you want to you love to have part-time job or extra income, something like that, why not you go to my office friend to my friend's office to see the opportunity. And so I don't have any idea about networking, so I went there, and then her friend showed me the Rich Dad Poor Dad, the cash flow quadrant, the Robert Kiyosaki thing, like that. So it blew my mind. And then because I'm the person of a big dream, and also I am the person of, I also want to have an impact to other people's lives. I mean, I want to help other people, and so because that's part of my passion, no, to help other people. And so when I discovered that the network marketing career or network marketing business, it will bring out the best version of you. So when I found out that this business is really a legit business, it is not a scam, it is not a pyramiding business, it's not a illegal business, because in Singapore, a very very strict country, of course they don't they don't allow those illegal businesses or or scams that operates in their country. So that is the reason why when I first opened my mind into this business world of network marketing, I fell in love in this business. That's why even though I failed from my first company, I joined my second company, and then there I became full time. That is I mean, that's my previous company, and after that, I am really willing to upgrade myself. That's why we joined I Am Worldwide, and because we are still in the same industry, we are in one umbrella of network marketing. It's a people helping business. You can become an agent of hope in this business. All right, so it's life fulfilling business, and so that's why until now we are really a passionate network marketing leader in this business, because we really experience uh, changing people's lives in the business. We have seen a lot of people change their lives 360 degrees, you see, and that's why it's really life-changing business. All right, so that's why we love to be an agent of hope, because a lot of people are hopeless. That's why we need to have more agents of hope. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you,
That's
Mentor.
amazing. What's
No.
our rate?
So amazing.
So amazing.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I asked that question, Mentor, because we have the same story. I have my husband. He doesn't want me to join because I've been also to a lot of networking, and he said no. And but I did not quit. I listened to my heart, and I'm thankful that now I've been in 3 months in this business, and I am blessed that I'm still here in this business. So thank you.
Long to go.
An aspiring sapphire, right, Mentor Princess? 3 months aspiring sapphire. That's intense.
Wow.
Yes. Okay.
Sam?
Let's hear it out from Mentor Damola. Oh, Mentor Anders, do you have a question?
Yeah,
Because you're unmuted already.
asking
Yes,
Sam,
go ahead, Mentor Anders.
how long time did it take before you earn money?
Okay, in my first company, 6 months time that I joined that company, I did not earn at all. That was my first experience in this business. In my first 6 months, I did not earn anything because I joined, and then later on I found out that the product is too expensive to sell. It's something like overpriced, something like that. It's really very expensive to sell, and then the marketing plan is very um, old school. No, the marketing plan is very wherein you need to have a lots of volume of sales before you can earn something like that. But because the concept of this business is really very convincing, very promising, the concept of network marketing business. But under the umbrella of network marketing, there's a lot of companies with different programs, with different set of compensation plans, and so, but I love the general concept of the business by itself. No? So that's why I joined. But because I was just new in the industry, I just joined because I like it, something like that. And so when I go deeper in the business, so I've learned that there's a lot of companies with different set of programs for their members, for the distributors. And so that's why when I came to my previous company, which is the binary company also, because I joined the MLM system of the compensation plan, wherein you have so many groups. Unlike when you are in the binary, you only have two groups to build. And so when I first introduced to binary system, I super like it because you only need to build two groups, your left group and the right group. And so that's why I when I did that binary company, in just a matter of 6 months, I resigned from my job because I was earning $2,000 per week already
Oh,
in my first company in Singapore. So I imagine my salary in my job is only about 2,500 peso, $2,500. But in my networking business, I'm already earning $2,000 per week. So that's why I resigned after 6 months. All right, and then after about 7 years, we discovered I Am Worldwide. And so, but in I Am Worldwide, it's another thing. It's upgraded version. Because in the business world, we have what we call innovation, or upgrading system, something like that, no? Because when you don't upgrade your system, you will be left behind. All right. So in one big industry of network marketing, different companies and a lot of companies also not upgrading at all. All right. And so there's a purpose why my wife saw the opportunity of I Am Worldwide, that even though we are already earning our passive income in our previous company, we decided to really give up that one, to sacrifice that for better, for bigger and bolder, career in I Am Worldwide. And so what happened was, when we joined I Am Worldwide, in just a matter of 1 year, we earn our income, and for the past 4 years in our previous company, we earned it in just a year in I Am Worldwide. We became part of the Millionaires Club in just a year. Okay, so that's why it's really this system of I Am Worldwide in terms of marketing plan is so advanced that you can really earn bigger and faster compared to other network marketing companies. The only thing that you need to do is really to become so aggressive to really do the business. Something like you are now riding on the Ferrari, or you are in a supercar right now and you are the driver. But if you don't drive that car, okay, if you don't drive that car,
because
even the bicicleta, the bicycle, even those people who are just walking, they can pass you by, you know. They can, you see, because you are not driving your car. So what I'm saying is, you are in the best vehicle, but you have to drive it, because it will not run if you don't do anything at all. So that's why we really have to appreciate the best compensation plan that I Am Worldwide is offering to us. Because when you realize that, then you will become so aggressive in the business. Yeah, all right. No, so
That's right. That's right. Clap, clap, clap for that. Thank you very much, Mentor Anders, for that. And mentors, not everyone know that Mentor Sam and Mentor Rach, just doing the business for like May, June, 3 months, they earned $500,000 in the Philippines. Doing I Am Worldwide 3 months, $500,000. They are top just for you earners in I Am Worldwide for first year and mid second year. They are always awarded as top just for you. So that's how lucky we are. We have them as our mentors, because if they can do it, they can teach us how they have done it. And again, mind you, mentors, Mentor Sam and Mentor Rich Palomo is the fastest Sapphire. They have achieved their Sapphire rank within 5 days. Okay? They had been a Sapphire Elite by just 5 days. So if you're gonna say to them that you cannot achieve the Sapphire, they're just gonna laugh at you because they have done it by just doing it 5 days. So I know Mentor Damola have a question for Mentor Sam. Mentor Damola, take it away.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you po.
Mentor Damola, you're on mute. Hello, Mentor Damola? Because Mentor Damola wrote here, Mentor Christy. I don't have. Sorry, I don't have.
a
I thought you
question.
said I have.
Not
today.
today, mentor. I have question, mentor Anne. Okay. I will volunteer.
You volunteer. Okay. Sorry, Mentor Damola.
Okay.
I have 4 eyes.
Yeah. Mentor Sam. For pageant. It's a pageant, you know. So what is your greatest motivation? For sure, when you started this in this kind of business, the multi-level network marketing, you encountered a lot of rejections. So what is your greatest motivation?
Thank you for the question, judge number 2 from Sweden, Mentor Mitch. Actually, I answered that already when Ate Ruth asked me. Pero I will say it again in another maybe
in rejection, Mentor Sam. What's your motivation if you're rejected? Or maybe are you still rejected?
Yes. Even though you are like a celebrity, you still get rejection. Even though you are like you're expert in the business, you still get rejection. And imagine, even our president, even our BODs, they're actually sharing the opportunity of I Am Worldwide, but still they also got rejections because that's normal. That's very, very normal. Even God, even our God, Jesus Christ, got rejections from people. So when I encountered rejections in our business, it's all about in your mindset, no? Because I have the right mindset on doing the business properly, no? That when you encounter rejections upon rejections upon rejections, the key is you have to put on your effort, your aggressiveness, your fire, your burning desire, even in the next level. I mean, to the highest level, you give it more. I mean, it's something like an army. When an army goes to the war, no, when a soldier gets hurt, he or she becomes more courageous. so something like in our business, when I encountered a lot of rejections, I have the feeling of sorry for them because they do not know what they are really rejecting. because they are actually rejecting not you but the opportunity. All right, the opportunity. So that's why in my heart I just feel like just praying for them that maybe in some other time they will realize that the opportunity that I'm presenting to them is really not rejectable. They don't because a lot of people, they don't recognize the opportunity in front of them because they are very close-minded. You see, so you feel sorry for them. So my biggest motivation also is that, again, I know my deepest why. If you know your deepest why you are doing the business, because if your reason is for yourself alone, all right, you can easily quit because
That's
your
right.
reason is only for yourself. But if your reason is not for yourself alone, your reason on doing this thing for your loved ones, for other person, right? For your loved ones, not for yourself, you will never ever give up, even though it's very, very hard already. I came to a point that I almost want to give up also in this career, but you know, I always uh, I always think of why I started this business. I always think my first why. Why why did I start this business? Because when you remember your why, because a lot of people who joined the business of I Am Worldwide and became so excited, it's because of their excitement on the possibilities, right? So, and because of the process, okay, because along the way you will encounter a lot of, rejections upon rejections upon rejections, because that's part of the system, that's part of the business. So there will come a time that you will lose your energy, you will lose your enthusiasm. Yeah, the time will come that you will lose it, but you will have to remember always why you started the business. Your first reason why, that you thought of the possibilities, that you thought of your deepest reason why you're doing it. Because, and that's the reason why you have to have your own vision board, because it is a very good reminder that you are doing this because of your dreams, because of your loved ones, not because of your self or of your own personal goal only, but for your own, for your loved ones, right? For your, that's your deepest why. Yeah. So thank you, Mentor Mitch, for a wonderful.
Thank you for that amazing question, mentors. Who I have additional question for our contestant. But if no one would volunteer yet, Grace, Mentor Grace, is it can we hear from you also? Mentor Grace Olusayo. So this is the first time that she joined. Actually, she just joined. She just joined the team. Of course, this is her first Zoom call.
Anne,
Yes,
have
mentor.
you passive income
Yeah.
just now? And how
Yes,
much?
Yes, mentor. That's a big yes. Have I passive income? I don't think that I will survive not working here for 2 years if I'm not having passive income, mentor. I have a daughter in the Philippines, and this is
Yeah.
the only thing supporting Nico. I Am Worldwide is supporting Nico and me. And definitely, I have seen and I have experienced the passive income. And that is because I Am Worldwide has a one account policy. And that is because we have a very strong team. And and because I decided immediately to be part of I Am Worldwide. I'm the first direct of Mentor Sam and Mentor Rich. And that's the best decision that I made. So if you're talking to someone and that's the first person that you have invited to I Am Worldwide, they are very, very lucky. Fast forward after 2-3 years, and they're on the position that I have, they'll be very, very thankful that you invited them to I Am Worldwide. Yes. Is that right, Mentor Mitch? Yes. Okay. So do we have any more questions? Ate Weng, do you have a question, Ate Weng?
I agree, Mentor Christian.
I'm good.
Okay. Okay, some mentors feel more comfortable with 50% profit repurchase only. They don't feel it's necessary to introduce people to this business. They believe so much in only letting clients or prospect try the product for many months. Aha, how can they grow? Okay. Mentor Sam, did we hear that?
Yeah. Some mentors feel more comfortable with. All right, because as you all know, we also have training about it, about the three types of members or networkers in the business, no? Because the network marketing business is all about the professional meaning of network marketing is moving products from the factory or manufacturing company to the consumers through the network of the users, the retailers, and the network builders. And so there are people who just, yeah, they feel comfortable of the 50% profit that they can get from selling the products, and they don't want to recruit people. They don't want to build the organization. They don't want to do the business of building a group or building a team because they just want to have the profit in retailing, no? And so that's normal. That's part of the organization. That's part of our organization because we cannot expect that all of the people will do what we do. You see, because it's just the way it is. You know, we have different likes, we have different dislikes, we have different choices in life. So in our industry, in our business, there are people who just want to use the product and they don't want to do the business, they don't want to sell the products also, so they just want to use the product and they became your member because they just want to avail the discount. So we call them our product users, our users, no? And also we have members here who loves to really do the retailing of the products. So they love the 50% profit from the retailing of our products, and they don't want to recruit people. But of course, still they are part of our organization. So we cannot force them to really do what we do as builders, no? But for us, because we all of us here are actually what we call the builders or the network builders or the leaders in the business, and those people will be highly rewarded. Okay, if you are a network builder in this industry, you will have a big or huge rewards. Because why? As I have shown you right a while ago in my presentation, those passive income is actually the income of the builders. If you are just a product user, if you are just a retailer, or you're just using the products and you're just also retailing the product, you cannot earn passive income. So meaning, if you want to have the passive income, you have to be a builder. You have to be a leader. You have to build your team. And the good thing about us, our network or our organization, our team, we have a lot of mentors who can help us grow our team. Okay, and the question is, how can they grow? Well, for those people who just love to sell the products and gain profit from it, how can we help them? By inviting them to our trainings, all right, to our meetings, because exposing them to our mentorings, to our trainings, it will help them to realize the potential that they can have with our business. So the key is invite them in the meetings, in our mentorings, in our trainings. Just keep inviting them, even though they keep on rejecting that. I'm busy. I'm happy with my retail income, something like that. But still, you are keeping in touch with them. That you always invite them in our trainings, in our mentorings, no? Because time will come when they will say, "Yeah, I wanna join the training. I wanna join the mentoring. Where's the link? I wanna join the Zoom." And then when that time comes, they will realize that, wow, I'm missing a lot. Wow, how come you only tell me now? You see? How come you did not tell me a long time ago? You see? but you keep on inviting him or her, right? But when the time comes that he or she realized that he is actually missing a lot because he's not doing the business, right? He's just selling the products. Then he will say to you that, hey, how come you did that? But that's the beauty of our business, because we don't do uh, uh, hard sell. We don't do hard selling in the business. We only do sharing from our hearts. No, it's from the bottom of our hearts that we really love to share, even though those people are really neglecting us. Okay. So yeah, thank you.
Wow, intense. That's very nice. That's very nice. So I'd like to just add on to that, to Mentor Damola, because I have also experienced that. And Mentor, I think the key factor that is, despite that other mentors would just want to maximize the retailing or the selling of the product, show them also by your own results what they are missing. Be the example or be the product of the I Am Worldwide business. And by doing continuously the business, one day they'll realize, what are you, why are you doing that? How are you doing that? Because this is a real life experience of Mentor Michelle and I. She signed up September and she told me that she doesn't want to do the business. And she doesn't want to refer or to get to sell big packages, but she wants to sell the products. So after some time, she's selling the products. She has moved all her products and had earned money. And then January came, I sold packages and I got 60,000 bonus. And she was selling for 3 months, and all that she's selling for 3 months, I got that in just one bonus. So then she realized that, how did you do that? Can you show me how? But actually, I was showing her how for many times, but she's not yet ready. And when she became ready, I'm very ready also to teach her. So you should also be ready when the time comes that they wanted to ask you about how to do the business more. So thank you very much, Mentor Damola. That's a very, very nice and timely question. So we have reached 1953 Sweden time. I think we have reached our time. If no more questions, mentors. Mentors, I think we had a very good picture.
Yeah.
Should we take another picture?
Can we take another one?
Okay, mentors. Please turn on your camera.
Yeah. It's the finale.
Right. Yes. Wow, Nika. Hello, Nika. I know you're very shy. Next time we'll call you.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Whenever you're ready, Mentor Sam.
1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Clap, clap. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mentor Sam. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kuya.
You save us, Mentor Sam, for the English.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you very much, Mentor
Thank you
Sam.
so
Thank you very
much.
everyone.
Can we have the
See you tomorrow,
everyone. Good
night.
night.
Mentor
Good
Damola,
night.
please
It's quite
invite
early.
everyone tomorrow.
Yeah.
6 p.m. tomorrow. I am
po.
detailed business presentation.
Thank
Yeah.
you,
Okay.
mentors. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
po.
you.
Bye-bye po.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, Mentor.
Thank you.
Bye-bye,
Thank you
Mentor
so much,
Damola.
Mentor Sam.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.